Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Shubham Jain. Welcome to my YouTube channel Superior FMG. And today I just gave the Inicet November 2024 exam, and in this video I am going to share my experience. So one thing is very clear, this is not the review of the exam, how was the paper and vagara vagara. This is just my personal experience, how I feel the exam, and I'm going to judge this paper according to myself. So it's it's a subjective thing. Please don't please don't bother about that the paper was easy or hard according to my views. These are something my personal views. So this is my first attempt of INI and my NEET PG 2024 score is not that great, not that good. It's actually very bad, but still my goal is to clear NEET PG 2025, and I promise myself that in the middle I will give every exam, whatever it is, whether it is INI whether it is medical officer, army officer, UPSC CMS. I am going to give every exam that comes into my path before NEET PG 2025. So that is the main reason I gave INI, not the reason that I am fully prepared or anything. Yeah, but I am prepared, I was prepared, but not that much. But that is again a personal thing. The one thing is clear that I was not targeting INI, but still I gave the exam just to gain experience, just to gain a little bit of momentum for my 2025 preparation. So how was the paper? I have created 5 points of my experience. So point number one is environment. When I gave NEET PG, the environment was very rough and tough. It was kind of a very competitive type of thing. But when I gave this paper today, my near the place is empty, and this side also the place is empty, and I was looking, okay, it's only 5 or 6 people are there. So basically people fill the form, deposited the money, but don't bother to come to give the exam. Again, this is again personal, whatever center I get, I can tell about that. So I think people skipped this exam. A lot of people skipped this exam. A lot of empty seats were there in my center, but it's okay. मुझे अंदर से अच्छा लगा. I feel good inside. Okay, थोड़ा बहुत it's going to be less competitive if some people are not going to give exam. Next point is how was the paper? The paper according to me was moderate to on the easy level. A lot of things were asked that were supposed to be asked, and a lot of things which were difficult are asked in a clinical format. So it was fun, having fun solving the paper, not like NEET PG where some random facts has been asked in examination. But INICET never disappoints in giving questions that have a critical thinking, analytical thinking. To be honest, I love the exam. I enjoy spending time in solving those questions that INICET gave today, and that was the paper according to me. If I compare NEET PG 2024 and INICET 2024 November attempt, I will say that INICET was comparatively more easier solving than NEET PG 2024. Next point, the important thing is in this attempt all the subjects has been given equal weightage. I mean, everything is at a level ki from for example in pharma 8 to 10 questions were asked, 3 were difficult and moderately. In forensic medicine, antidotes were asked, again that was easy part, and ENT equal weightage. But surprisingly psychiatry was not there. Just like in previous INICET, PSM was not there. This time psychiatry was not there, but who cares, it only count for 3 or 4 questions. It's okay, but still it was a balanced paper, and everything was every subject have giving equal importance. That is the thing which is important, and NV should learn how to set a paper for NEET PG. Okay. Next point is the question was mixed bank. There were few one liners, and after that there is kind of a clinical question. like 4 or 5 lines. I can't read that question, but I solved that question, and the next question was again a one liner. I solve one to two one liner, and the another question will be a very large clinical case. So it's actually speaking, I enjoy the solving INICT paper today's. And the next point is, there were quite a lot match the following this time. Whenever I solve questions of match the following in my GT Marrow GT, I see why these kind of questions Marrow keep asking, like of a constipated face. But thankfully this time INICT the match the following which were asked were quite easy, were doable, and I was like, oh come on, another ek aur match the following, give me more match the following. 8 to 9 questions match the followings के थे, and those were all easy questions, all easy question. I'm not I'm not joking, literally all I match the following questions were easy. Okay, so next point, all the important points have been covered. So that was the paper of my experience of giving INICT. Now I'm going to take some rest and again prepare for another exam. So thank you, that's for the today's video.